Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show how you can increase volume in VIVO phone. So if you would like to improve or boost the maximum default volume that your VIVO phone provides you with, you will need to download and install the free volume booster app from the Play Store, obviously. So here is the app that you should be looking for. Once it gets successfully installed, you gotta launch it, then agree or not agree on all those things. And after that, you can, actually start boosting the volume by reopening the app and then selecting the boost rate. You can select the value anywhere between 1% and 60% more than your default maximum audio volume. And that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.